New evening, should I say new day, but it starts to be evening. As you see, out by the Land Cruiser. How to try to read off codes with this other reader, because when I use the simple Kali and root driver and things, and also we read off with other tools, it was not coming up as I was hoping. Yeah, this car have been standing for many months now, so we'll try to, and it really don't want to play. I had two cars that have made me big problems on using a lot of money on. Both of those cars are cars that are supposed to be good cars. The Lexus LS 400 cost me a fortune, and this Land Cruiser 120 series cost me a lot of money. Just problems. Used a lot of money. So that tells me that it doesn't matter if it's so supposed to be a good car or not, if it haven't been taken care of. Let's see what this X-Tool D7 could help me see something here, because everything is just garbage coming out from the engine. I can't give gas at all, nothing. The information I was getting out, I don't remember the code in my head now. I forgot to check it. But it's supposed to be in the turbo activator valve engine that control it. I have many videos that I've tried to fix on this car. And it's haven't worked. So I can see if I even be able to read out anything here. Everything is just shaking. Sorry, see I'm not sure if the stabilization on the camera could take away some of that shaking, but when the camera is standing on the seat, everything is just shaking. Input the VIN manually. F1KDFTV, okay. Autoscan. Oh, it's just stand scanning. With the other system I got up very few codes. Engine here get up 3 codes. It's difficult to see. But here the lights are the same as before. I'm just trying now to see if I get something up otherwise. ABS and things get up a fault. C1201 engine control system. Then I get up a cruise control. P0045 turbo supercharged boost control solenoid circle open, and then engine, yeah, the same 0045 turbo controller. So everything. Now I'm saving that, and then I clear. Clear all codes, at least I'm trying. Erase. The code is erased. Reading freeze frames, something here is just, it's just the same. Just really seriously don't want to when I let go of the acceleration, it just dies. So the whole thing is filled up with shit from being standing. Yeah. For me, I have come to the road's end with this car. It's not much more I can do. I'm so pissed of it. I just want to get rid of it. It just make me want to give up everything about cars. Just piss me off. This one was working for 280,000 and then it's useless. Some could be a small buyer somewhere who make the big problems, and it's just hopeless. And just turn off this one. It's not. I don't get any longer. It's too bad. What was supposed to be the family car? Really too bad. It would have been a very good car in the winter if it had been working. But it's not.